Creating value scales is going to help you add shadows and highlights to different parts of your project. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to create a value scale using pencil only. Okay, so the first row is for pencil. The second row is going to be using colored pencil. So you want to have those ready. We're going to create a different value in each box, having our lightest value be here, and then gradually getting to dark. In order to get a light value, I'm going to use really light pressure on my pencil, and I'm going to start to shade in that first box. Notice how all my pencil lines are going in the same direction, and I'm filling in the entire box. Now I'm going to go into the next box, and I'm going to use the same motion with my wrist and my hand with my direction of my lines, and I'm going to press just slightly harder with the pencil. For medium, I'm going to press even slightly harder. So I'm not pressing really hard yet, but I'm gradually increasing the amount of pressure I put on my pencil so that I can see a shift going from light to dark. And then I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to press a little bit harder in the next space. If you press too hard with your pencil, you can always go back and erase it and try again. Okay, and then the last one, I'm going to press even harder. It is important that you're using equal amounts of pressure, which means that throughout the entire value that you're creating, you're not changing the pressure of your pencil. I'm not pressing harder in some areas and lighter in some, okay? So we see a gradual increase going from light to dark with our pencil for the first one. The second one, you're using color pencil. So you can pick any color you want. You're doing the same exact thing, you're just doing it with color. Notice how my hand is not really moving like this when I color. It's more of my wrist, okay? My hand stays still. My hand stays still, but it's my wrist and my arm that are actually moving the pencil. All right, there's my light color. I'm going to press a little bit harder. All right, and that's it. And actually what ends up happening is you can kind of see how each space is similar in terms of how dark the color gets, even though we're talking about pencil here and color pencil here, okay? When you're done with this worksheet, it goes in the finished work bin, and make sure your name and period are at the top.